Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you want really clean, great tasting water, but you don't want a unit that is going to take up a lot of counter space or under the counter, then you're going to love this tankless reverse osmosis system that I got from VonWater. Of greatest concern for me with a water filter is gauging how well it works. So I got a TDS meter, and I'm happy to say that the levels went down from our tap water, which was at 54, to 16 with the filter. It also has a 7-stage filtration system, which is why we got those low TDS readings. Secondly, of course, is that it is a total space saver. This is our previous system. Not only did it take up a ton of space, but changing out the filters was a huge pain. This system takes up minimal space, and changing out the filters is super easy just with the front panel. This has the capacity to produce 800 gallons per day. It has a really high flow rate, which I love because I don't want to stand forever at the sink filling up my bottle or glass. Another bonus for me is that the spout rotates 360 degrees. I do all my dishes by hand, so it's so nice to be able to move that out of the way when I need to do them. Installation was a breeze. They send everything that you need in addition to clear instructions, and it's something that you can do yourself if you choose to. We're beyond pleased with this reverse osmosis system. We think you're going to love it too, but that's just our point of view.